Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make レタスとゆで卵のサラダ。It's lettuce and boiled egg salad. So simple and easy, but delicious. And you can have a lot of lettuce. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 lettuce, 5 eggs, 1 pack of katsuobushi fish flakes, some salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, and 1 tablespoon each of ponzu sauce and sesame seeds. Let's make boiled eggs first. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. Brown side, pointy side, on this side. This will make it easier to remove the shell later on. Put some water about halfway up the eggs. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's make the dressing. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ponzu, and sesame seeds, katsuobushi fish flakes, and some salt and pepper in a large bowl. Give it a good mix. And the dressing is ready. Super easy. And this is now boiling. Turn the heat to low but keep it simmering and cook for 8 minutes. While you cook the eggs, tear the lettuce into the bowl of dressing. Smash the lettuce to remove the core. Then just tear it into bite-sized pieces into the bowl. Let's give it a mix. The dressing will wilt the lettuce, and that's why you can have a lot of lettuce. The eggs are boiled for 8 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking. never cool down to room temperature. Remove the shell. Cut into 4. And add to the bowl. Give it a quick toss. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. And レタスと卵のサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。This is 4 servings. But I have no problem having it all by myself. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. レタスとゆで卵のサラダ goes here and some sort of pickles for the other side. How about Japanese curry here, which will also cover the main, and your favorite soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!